Hey guys, I thought I'd give you the first startup. I just filled it with oil and it's kind of a, well, I don't know if it's really a cold start because I've had the heat going, but somewhat. Let's see what we can do. I got the charger on it. Well, probably help we have fuel, huh? Started good though. Oh, come on. So I get for playing with it. Uh-oh. There we go. I know it's kind of loud. Well, it's okay. You guys got the point of it. She runs, she kept the plug in. We should be okay. She's cold, I suppose, still. But it ran. Alright guys, catch you later.